So hello guys and welcome back to Android game development series in Unity 3D. So in this video we are going to learn what are effectors and how to use the effectors in Unity 3D. So up till now we have been continuing the bird game. This bird can move on the roads and can jump on these grasslands. So in this video we are going to add some effects to these game elements and we will see it will add some excitement and fun to the game. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free courses, material and content for you. So guys, now let's discuss what are effectors. So there are a lot of game elements in some specific game. For example, in this game we have bird, grasslands and roads. And we want them to give some special effects and we want them to behave like in certain way. So effectors are basically game component which can be added on this game component to give them some effects. So for this, let me bring this game element here and now play the game. You can see here my bird can collide with this element and cannot pass through it. So let me add some effect here. For this, I will add a component and from here I will go to the physics 2D and from here I will add platform effect 2D. It is giving me an error that effector will not function until there is at least one enabled 2D collider with them. So we already have box 2D collider here and we have to check this box used by effectors. And you can see here, now you can see a semicircle around this surface. So now our warning is gone and we are going to check what will happen here. So now when I'm going to jump here, you can see here my element can pass through it, as we have seen in many games. And when I jump higher, and it can stay on this surface. Once again it can pass from here and it can stay on one side. And there are different ways you can handle these effectors. So if I'm going to uncheck this checkbox, use one way because it was standing on one way and was passing from other side. Now we have locked it. And when I am trying to jump from it, I cannot be able to jump from here. So guys, this was example of platform 2D effectors. Now I'm going to remove it and make sure you have checked this used by effectors. Now I'm going to add some other effector here. From here I will add a component physics 2D and from here I will select surface effector 2D and I already have checked used by effector. So this surface effector 2D will behave like a conveyor or belt. To elaborate it, let me reposition it and play this game. And when I'm going to jump on it, now I have leave it. You can see here my character is moving slowly, just like a belt or conveyor is moving it. And from the inspector, let me add the speed of 10. And now play the game again. When I'm going to jump from here, you can see here it is pulled at a very high speed. Let me try it again. Now the conveyor or belt speed is higher and it will be pushed at a very high speed. You can see here. So now we are going to add some Beyonce effect here. So Beyonce effect is used to add some water-like or floating-like effect to any game object. To elaborate it, let me select the sprite. I have a game object which is called water. Let me drag it in the sprite and let me design the water here. Let me resize it. Copy and paste it here So I'm going to create a pool of water here. Just copy and paste the same water tile here. So let me precisely. So we have added a water here. Let me reposition them so that we can check the water effect here. To give the water effect, we have to select them all simply in this way, and we have to add the component. First of all, we have the box collider 2D here, and we have to check the used by effector. Now we have to add a component from physics 2D, and this is Beyonce Effector 2D. And this effector is demanding that this collider has is trigger unchecked. So we have to check this is trigger. Now the warning is gone. Now let me play the game again here. And when I'm going to jump in this water, and you can see here it is behaving like a water, and my character is floating through them. Let me approach from here, and you can see here my character is just like sinking in the water. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. This was all about the effectors. So please like, share our video, comment on our video, and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.